Hi all, today we'll see about MongoDB, the create and update, insert and delete options, how to create a table in a MongoDB, how to create and how to insert the rows in MongoDB, how to update the particular row in MongoDB, and how to delete the record in MongoDB. So these four six things we are going to see right now. The first and most important thing you have to be clear, like you should be very clear with the MongoDB installation has been completed in your uh, terminal or your PC. For me, I have already completed MongoDB installation here. So from my terminal or from my CLI, I can go like this. Actually, from Mongo, through the Mongo command, I can able to go for the MongoDB CLI. Okay, so yeah, now we have entered the MongoDB CLI, but in my local host it is running. If I want to connect to this MongoDB, it is connected to the MongoDB colon 127.0.0.1 colon 27017. That is the port this MongoDB is connected to my local. Okay, this one we have to remember this one if you are connecting with any other third-party environments. So if you want to connect to any third-party environments, you should definitely remember about this host name. Then only your MongoDB will go and connect with those with those environments. Suppose if you are calling from Angular or React, whatever the case it is, this path will ensure like you are going to connect to the this particular MongoDB connection 127.0.0.1. It's almost like it's our local host. Okay, so now we will see what is the structure of the MongoDB. MongoDB, like, it is a collection of databases, and every database is a collection of a table, and every table is a collection. Sorry, every database is a collection of collections. These collections we call in RDBMS as tables. Okay, and every collection is a combination of rows. We call them as here as a document. Every collection is one document. Document is a collection of the records. Okay, so first of all I want to see how many DBs are there with my MongoDB. So if I want to see how many DBs are there, I have a command like show DBs. So now I can have here, I have actually this many: admin, config, customer manager, local, main database, my DB, new Krishna. These are the different DBs I have. If I want to use one of the DB, so I am going for the my DB. Use my DB space. The database name is the command. So I have switched to the DB. So in this DB, I want to see the collections. Collections means tables in RDBMS. Okay, here we call as collections. Okay, so if I want to see how many collections are there within this database, go for the command show collections. Okay, so I have here two collections with me. One is the movie, other one is my collection. So I want to create one more collection in this DB, in this my DB. So how to create a collection? So let us go for the query. So it is something like db dot collection name create collection, and here I am going to give the name of the DB. So I am going to give here employee collection. Okay, so I am going to create one collection, a new collection, employee collection. Okay, db dot create collection, and then name of the collection. Okay, one means it is successfully created. So if you go and see the collections, Now you can find the employee in your collections of your DB. Your DB name is MyDB. Okay, and we have here like we also have here like show collections, and also the next one we are going to go for the inserting the values for this DB. If you go and check, if you go and check the current, I mean collections here, one second, yeah. If you go and check, if you go and query this one, what will happen is like db dot collection. What is my collection name? My db is my collection name. And what is the, sorry, is my database name? Okay, here like employee employees employee is my collection name dot find dot pretty. So this pretty is a function which will give in the JSON format. So we are going to select, so nothing is inserted as of now in this employee collection. So if you want to insert the collection, the new collection here, I mean new row here for this collection, then you have to go for insert collection. Okay, so it's like db dot employee and this is my collection name and dot insert. Here I am going to give document. Yeah, here I am going to give some. First one is name and Krishna and comma. Okay, and one more thing we have, that is ID. So ID I am going to use some 215. So this is the one I am going to insert right now. So I likewise I have inserted a record name as Sravalya Krishna and ID as 215. And if I go and find in that pretty, I will find like this every document will have its own object ID. That is this one. This will be inside the volume. Okay, inside the MongoDB volume. This is the data space where it is located. Okay, and yeah, and if you want to go for some more, also you can go. Here is like. Okay, so I have inserted now two. So I will find here two things here, two entities in this collection. So if I want to update this document, how to update this document means db dot what is my collection name? Employee dot update. And here I am going to give what is the selection criteria. The first one is like selection criteria. It's like some name colon Krishna. This name I want to change. So I want to set this name. Okay, I want to set with the some other new data. To set this name to some other new data, we want to go for set, actually $set comma. Here I am going to mention the set $set set to a new value. To a new value we are going to set. So I am going to reset the name to G space. I want to update the record with this set with the set I want to update the record or document. Okay, so we will call, so one is modified, and we'll go and check, like, yeah, now it is updated to G space Ravalli Krishna. Okay, and one more thing we have, that is for deletion. How to delete a record? How to delete a record? Document. So let us think. I want to delete 216 ID. So I have to go for a method known as remove method. Remove method. Here I want to give the criteria. So which one I want to delete. So I can go for here name or ID colon 216. Okay. I want to remove this ID. So it's like this, right? So one is affected. So if you see now, the 216 ID is deleted. So this is how this is how we are having. One is like updating, inserting, and creating a collection, and also removing the record in the collection. This is how the CRUD for this session. So in this session we have learnt about, one is like creating the collection. To create the collection we have the command db.create command, create collection employee. Then we can, to find means to fetch, we have db.collection name dot find dot pretty, and to insert insert a command, we have insert name and id, and to delete update, we have update with the set, and we have to remove, we have remove function. Thanks for listening.